all of us around the lake, you know, it doesn't matter who you are, you've been affected by fire, whether you've been evacuated, you know someone or a relative. It touched all of us, and you know, when we start doing things like this, whether it's cultural burns or prescribed burns or even fuels reduction, it's healing the land and what it needs, because for past couple hundred years the land has been in pain because it hasn't been able to heal.
There's so many reasons why good fire is so important. A lot of folks right now are focused on the importance of fuels reduction and really making our communities safer from catastrophic wildfires, which is a really powerful impact that good fire can have. But for us, I think our perspective is a lot broader, and we think about fire as really a tool to bring healing and balance back to the land. We live in a fire-adapted ecosystem that really needs fire to thrive, and it does everything from help native seeds to germinate. It makes plants grow back healthier and stronger. It eliminates pathogens from the forests, and it really importantly for us at TERA also makes more quality cultural materials for tribes to continue their traditional practices and life ways. So those are some of the reasons that we burn. Our programs here in Lake and Mendocino counties are really looking at building capacity for the tribal community to steward their ancestral lands. So that's really bringing together vocational skills with traditional knowledge and land stewardship so that folks have access to their homelands and access to be able to tend to them, to bring health back, and to gather. And we have a lot of relationships with both agencies as well as private landowners that are really in service to that goal of ecocultural stewardship and bringing that health and vitality back to the land.
You know, when I was growing up, my great-grand over in Elam, Indian colony, used to burn the tule. And that knowledge has been lost along the way. So, you know, good fire makes the basketry plants a lot stronger and more flexible for weaving. And it was just a good experience because the more knowledge that I'm able to gain, the more I'm able to bring back to my people and share this knowledge. So I like that. You know, TERA provides that opportunity for us, and just the work that we do on the land is important. You know, we remove invasive species, fuels reduction work from all these wildfires. So we're doing the hard work now to prevent these catastrophic wildfires from happening. Our tules around the lake ain't what they were back then. There's been a severe reduction in the tules. So we've been removing the invasive primrose and replanting tules.
I feel that Lake County is being transformed by TERA by taking small steps, by building relationships with landowners and between agencies and tribes so that we can work together. And when we work together, we're able to land manage better because all of us have been living through catastrophic fires for the past couple of years. And TERA is starting that kindling fire of bringing that change to agencies, to landowners, and to tribes, that we can work together to keep our landscapes native and to keep the invasives out, but to also just keep the areas safe from fire.
Important for not only the landscape, but all the resources it has to offer, coming from the food sovereignty, food sources, not only for the humans, but for the birds, animals. And we got to start somewhere in order to be able to get it back to part where our ancestors had it.